Watch out! Your boat, you want to run? Dude, how do you feel? How do you feel with taking out one of the bad guys? Go get him! Go get him! He's on the run! Go get him! Run! Run! He's angry at you already because you're running. You're breaking the law. You break the law, you need. Okay, stop running now. Shame. He caught enough bad guys today. What are you doing? Don't do that. Yeah, he's angry at you now. He's angry. I mean, don't lift him up like that, shame. He doesn't want to party today. What do you think you're doing? I'm still angry at you because you stole my Mountain Dew. Okay. Great. And just to recap, we're almost done our motocross track. Yeah, we'll have information in one of these videos somehow. I'll see you in the next video.